Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femitech tutorial, another unboxing video. Now for today's episode, I'll be unboxing a Zosi DVR. Actually, we'll be replacing this old one, so actually damaged, so I'm gonna actually replace it. Right, so let's go ahead and get it out of the main box. Right, so out. So it comes with mouse there, comes with Ethernet cable, and of course the power adapter. So come with all of those, and of course this is the unit itself, well protected, and of course it's a 8-channel. So I'm gonna actually hook it up and see how it actually works. Definitely will be doing a review showing you how it actually works. Just a simple video showing you that yes, it actually works. In terms of connectors, HDMI and come with the VGA connector. Of course, that is the Ethernet port, and that's the power port. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.